In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with negative numbers in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get to a blank worksheet or the sheet where you want to practice. Negative numbers are very common in spreadsheets, especially when you're tracking things like expenses, losses, decreases, debts, or adjustments. Excel is designed to handle them naturally. So once you understand the basics, working with them becomes very straightforward. To follow along, you can enter a simple set of sample data. In one column, list items such as sales, expenses, refund, and other income. In the next column, enter the amounts: 5,000 for sales, negative 1,500 for expenses, negative 500 for refund, and 1,000 for other income. This gives you a quick example of both positive and negative values in the same worksheet. To enter a negative number in Excel, just type a minus sign before the number. For example, type negative 1,500. Excel will immediately recognize it as a negative value, and you can use it in formulas just like any other number. Next, if you want to add positive and negative numbers together to get a net result, use the sum formula. For example, type equals sum, then select the range containing your amounts. Using the sample data, the total comes out to 4,000. This is useful when you want Excel to combine income and deductions in a single calculation. Excel also handles subtraction with negative numbers correctly. For example, if you type equals 5,000 minus open parenthesis negative 1,500 close parenthesis, the result is 6,500. This works because subtracting a negative number is the same as adding it, and Excel calculates that automatically. If you want negative numbers to stand out more clearly, you can change how they look. Select the cells that contain your numbers, then press Ctrl and 1 to open the Format Cells window. Choose Number, and then select a format that displays negative values in parentheses, like 1,500 and in brackets. Click OK to apply it. You can also use a custom format, such as hashtag comma, hashtag, hashtag 0, semicolon, open bracket, red close bracket, minus hashtag comma, hashtag, hashtag 0. This will display negative numbers in red, making them easier to spot. Finally, if you need the positive version of a number without the negative sign, use the ABS function. Type equals ABS and select the cell, or enter a value such as negative 1,500 inside the parentheses. Excel will return 1,500. One final tip: negative numbers can be used normally in formulas. You usually do not need to convert them unless you specifically need the absolute value for your calculation.